A pro boxing show coming to the Rec Center next Saturday, May 21st. Sonny Fredrickson and Tyler McCreary, both unbeaten, are the co-headliners. Danielle Dwyer with an update on the career of McCreary, whose nickname is Golden Child.
In 2003, boxing was an answer for Tyler McCreary, an answer to the troubles he was facing.
Boxing really saved my life. As a kid, I grew up troubled a lot, and boxing, when it kept me busy, kept me out of trouble, and it made me focus. It really turned me into a man.
Over the years, he's continued to train, climbing the ladder, and turning pro in 2014.
My family look up to me now, and I'm the one that got to make it for my family.
While he's competed nationwide, his fight on May 21st will be unlike any other.
No better feeling to be inside the ring and look into the crowd, see all your friends, family, and little kids looking up to you. There's no better feeling, man. I love to be there.
It's not just the support ringside that McCreary says has led to his success.
We all come here every day. We joke around for a little bit, but when it's time to get to business, we take care of it. You know, we don't play around in the gym.
While his focus is on the May 21st fight, McCreary is still working towards a bigger goal.
I'm just working hard and trying to make my way up the ladder to get to a world title.
Reporting tonight, Danielle Dwyer, WTOL 11.